So are you running your LinkedIn ads without conversion tracking? Let me tell you, you are making a big mistake. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up conversion tracking in LinkedIn Campaign Manager so that LinkedIn can track activity on your website, conversions on your websites. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So log into your LinkedIn account. Once you're logged in, all you have to do is just click on this button on top, advertise. This will take you to campaign manager. If you don't see this option, you might find it under work. Just click on work and you might find it here as well. So these options keep changing, but find out this option called advertise and it will take you to LinkedIn campaign manager. So here I am in my LinkedIn campaign manager, and I will be selecting one of the account. So here I am on my LinkedIn campaign manager. Now, before we set up conversion tracking on the website, just to let you know, like on Facebook, we have Pixel, it's called Pixel. On LinkedIn, it's called Insight tag. So the first thing you need to do is create an Insight tag on your LinkedIn campaign manager. Take that Insight tag and put it on your website. And after that, only you can create separate events for your website. So for example, to create Insight tag, what you need to do is you just need to click on analyze and you will find this option called Insight tag. So once you click on Insight tag, for me, I think it is already created, but what you need to do is you just need to click on few buttons and create the Insight tag once you are here. And after that, it'll give you these three options. So it is giving me options: install the tag myself, or send the tag to developer, or use the tag manager. So you can use either of these three options. I will go with the Insight tag. I'll take the Insight tag myself. So this is my Insight tag. I'll copy this tag, okay, and then I go to my website. Let's say your website is on WordPress. All you have to do is just log into your WordPress account, come to plugins, add new plugin, and add a plugin called headers and footers. This is the easiest way I find to install the tags on WordPress website. But if you already know some ways, you can use those as well. So any of these plugin, but I like this one with insert headers and footers. So I'll install and activate it. If you see, it is already activated on my website. So what I'll do is I'll just go directly there, go to settings, and you will see this option called WP headers and footers. You just need to put it in body section of your website. Once you come here, script in body, just paste in body section of your website, and after that come down and save changes. For me, I have my GTM installed. If you don't know, you can also use Google Tag Manager to install the tags on your website. That is also one of the easiest way. If you want to know how to install the tags through GTM, just let me know in the comment section below and I can make that video as well. Once you have installed the tag on your WordPress website and or any other website you have done, that's it. So that's the first step, to install tag. And after that, what you need to do is just click on conversion tracking. So once your tag is installed, what you need to do is you need to click on create conversion, online conversion, and set up your conversion. For example, let's say you are generating leads. So I'll just name them as leads, or whatever, you can just name something, and then define it is leads. Under leads, I think this one is what I will choose. Value, you can give the value also, but I think I will just skip this step. So the next step is the time frame from when the conversion can be counted. By default, it is selected as 30 days click and 7 days view, which is I think ideal, and you can leave it as it is. Next is attribution window. It is already selected to last touch for each campaign, and we will keep it as it is as well. So click on next step, and then it says which campaign do you want to select for this conversion to. I'll just select all the campaigns for now, and then click on next. You can select your own campaigns as well. Then next step is, it says define your conversion. So page load, on the page load, what should happen on the page load? If the page contains, let's say, thank you, for this, you need to have your thank you page already ready or installed on your website. After somebody fills up the form, they go onto the thank you page, and if your page contains thank you, that will be counted as one conversion, which is what I'm defining here. You can do it other ways also. If your thank you page doesn't say thank you but says, let's say, purchase, you can use that option as well. So yeah, this is how you can also set up or define your conversion. This is one of the event which is being tracked, which is a lead event. On a page load, this is going to be triggered, and conversion is going to be counted whenever somebody reaches onto that thank you page. You can also go event specific, which means nothing but you just need to pick up the code and put it on your thank you page or confirmation page, and whenever the page reloads, that particular code will send the data to LinkedIn as well. So that's another method of doing it. You can do it this way as well. So I like it very simple in this way, and that is how I will do it. And after that, what you need to do is you just need to click on create, and that's all. Your event is going to be created. Likewise, you can create different types of events. For example, if you are running sign up ads, go for sign up. If you're running submit application, or purchase, or any other thing, so you can create different level of events by using this method. And if I come back to my all the events, you see that I already have a website lead event set up on this account, but there's no signal yet, obviously, because I have not really literally placed this code on any website yet. But once you do that, you will start seeing a signal, which means whenever somebody visits the website, you will start seeing this option as green, which means that your conversion tracking now is in place. So yeah, this was a very quick video on LinkedIn ads conversion tracking. Set up conversion tracking before running a campaign on LinkedIn, so that LinkedIn can optimize its campaigns in a way that it can bring more conversions for your campaigns. It's very, very important. Also check out this particular video on LinkedIn lead generation ads, how to set up those ads from A to Z by using different strategies I've explained in this particular video here. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. I would love to answer them, and I will meet you in the next video very soon.